Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. If you're stuck at home, you need to gain weight, you're getting skinny, you need a shake recipe to help you put on more weight and get those calories in. Today I'm going to show you a mass gain shake recipe that you can create from the comfort of your own home. It's my strawberry high calorie 1000 calorie mass gain shake, okay? So I know you guys are probably using maybe Serious Mass at the moment, and I've tried Serious Mass myself. It's a mass gain shake that you buy at the supplement store. Now, to be honest, Serious Mass isn't okay to start with, but when you're at home, you can actually create a lot more creative recipes. You can make it taste a lot better, and you're not gonna have too much bloating with the amount of calories that you put in the shake. For example, the shake that I'm gonna show you today is 1000 calories, but actually it feels, the amount of bloating, it feels pretty similar to having something like 300 to 500 calories with Serious Mass. So you're gonna be able to get in more calories, feel less bloated, and you're gonna have awesome natural shake recipes with a lot of vitamins and minerals that are gonna help you and keep you in good shape, okay? So let's get straight into this recipe. So if you can see behind me, I've got all the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe. So you're gonna need whole milk, full fat, okay? I've only got low fat at the moment, so I'm gonna have to use this today. You're gonna need one banana, one large banana. This one's 200 grams, so it's a large banana. This peanut butter, you're gonna need this as well. Any peanut butter will do. If you've got organic peanut butter, that's great as well. Just pick a peanut butter. And you're gonna need maple syrup, okay? We're gonna put this in to give it a little bit more flavor, make it a little bit sweeter. Maple syrup. You're gonna need rolled oats, okay? Steel cut, doesn't really matter, just rolled oats. And lastly, you're gonna need some whey protein, okay? So I've got strawberry whey protein. So we're gonna use 2 scoops of this, and this is what makes it a strawberry shake. If you change the whey protein to something like chocolate, it's gonna be a chocolate shake. If you change it to vanilla, it's gonna be a vanilla shake. Either way, you're still gonna get 1000 calories today. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it if you like the recipe. Make sure to share it around with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is the best place for skinny guys to get mass gain shake recipes, workouts, everything you need to succeed as a skinny guy. So enjoy this video. We'll get straight into this mass gain shake. All right, so one thing you want to make sure you're doing as a skinny guy is daily you're tracking your calories and macros, okay? If you're not tracking your calories and macros, you're setting yourself up for failure. You need to make sure you're tracking your calories and your macros, and you've got daily calorie and macro targets, okay? So if you're not doing that yet, click the link in the description. I'm gonna leave you a mass gain calculator that's gonna allow you to track your calories and your macros. But for this shake, we're simply going to be using what we call a food scale to track everything. And basically, let's say you're already tracking your calories and your macros. You simply track this shake and add it into your daily intake, and it's pretty much gonna cover a lot of your daily calories, okay? So make sure you get one of these food scales. I'll try to leave a link in the description as well for the food scale. So you wanna weigh everything out. I have done all the weigh-ins, and I'm gonna post the recipe right on your screen right now. And basically, you're gonna be able to see this mass gain shake recipe. Today, we're gonna be using 300 mils of whole milk. We're gonna be using 30 grams of peanut butter, which is around a tablespoon. We're gonna be using 30 grams of maple syrup. We're gonna be using, I think 30 grams of rolled oats, 2 scoops of whey, and 1 large banana. And that's gonna come to 1000 calories, okay? So I'm gonna quickly weigh this. Well, actually, I probably don't need to be that accurate. I'm just demonstrating the shake, but I'm gonna weigh it anyway. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take the jug and we're gonna start weighing the ingredients. All right. So if you can see here, I'm gonna put in, and I gotta put this on a stable platform. All right, so I'm gonna tear the food scale. I'm gonna put in 300 mils of milk. I think that's about 10 ounces if you're American. A bit more than 1 cup. 300 mils of milk. I'm gonna put in this banana. Just a nice big banana, break it in halves. I'm gonna put in my whey protein, 2 scoops. So one thing after I create this shake for you to note is this is a pretty big shake, so you're probably not going to have it in one serving or one go. So if you're going to university, going to school, maybe you want to break the shake into halves. You want to have half the shake in the morning for breakfast and then half the shake maybe after your workout or at night. That's probably an easy way to do it. Don't just try and have the shake in one go because you're going to feel pretty bloated and you might even throw up, okay? So let's get into the maple syrup. So I'm just gonna put, again, 30 grams here, which is like 1 tablespoon, okay? $30 of oats. Try to be as accurate as possible as well. So that's 30 grams. And lastly, the peanut butter. So the peanut butter is a bit hard to get out of the jar. So what I like to do is I like to wet a tablespoon first, okay? And then that's gonna help it come off, okay? So I think that's about 30 grams. And I'm gonna chuck this in. And that should fall off pretty easily. All right. Okay, close enough. So there you go, that's your tablespoon of peanut butter, and that's the full shake. So now what I'm gonna do is, I like to have my shakes cool and icy. So I'm gonna put in some ice cubes. Make sure to put in some ice cubes if you want it to make it really chilled and cool, okay? It tastes much better if you do that. So I'm gonna put in some ice cubes here. All right. All right, sweet. All right, and our shake is ready to go. Alright, so now the shake's ready. I like to take a big, nice and big bottle. Actually, this bottle is amazing. I've got this recently. It's called a blender bottle, and this one actually stores up to 1.2 liters, okay? So it's a huge bottle, and for your mass gain shakes, this is gonna be amazing. I'll try and leave a link in this description. If you can't find it, you can find it pretty much on bodybuilding.com. Just look for a big blender bottle, okay? So we're gonna put in our mass gain shake now. Come check this out, looks nice and fresh, really nice. Okay, nice and chilled. It's gonna be amazing after a workout or just for breakfast. And there you go, should feel about 800 mils of the bottle. So there you go, that's in 1,000 calories right there. And to be honest, I could probably finish this in one go. And what you have to understand is when you get 1,000 calories, from something like serious mass, it's a lot more difficult and it's a lot more uncomfortable on your stomach, okay? You're gonna bloat a lot more. But this, if you can see the shake, it's literally not thick at all. Look at that. Okay, that's gonna go down really easy. So let's try this. Really good and really easy to drink as well. Cheers. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.